Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to welcome you once again to the Watchers Report. Tonight we're going to do a new piece called The Way to the Cross. This one took a minute to get down, really catch on to what it was really going. So I'm going to let you hear it. You tell me what you think. It's hard to bear the cross of the Christ. For the sake of the righteous, must the self be forever sacrificed. The ultimate price is a life of pain, and a crown of thorns shall be the garment worn. You'll be the victim of their hate, vengeance, and unearthly scorn. And from the very center of your chest shall your heart be completely torn. And you shall battle every day for the light of serenity, as you recognize that you shall be crucified by family and friends as well as the enemy. For many have proven to be eternal slaves to an unnatural behavior, as dominion by a selfish nature has removed love and been replaced by hate for thy neighbor. Now, reading the Bible and saying a prayer won't save you, due to the fact that envy and jealousy are nothing more than contaminating poisonous vapors. If given the chance, for the dollar will they rape you. Without hesitation sell their souls for mere green pieces of paper. Then turn around and claim to walk with Jesus, only because it's the politically correct thing to say. Believe this, there is a true lack of respect for life. Preaching love by day, but practicing hate by night. These are the very same souls who crucified the Christ, because these creatures of the dark despise long exposure to the light. Unnecessary adversaries, but they're afraid you're going to get something they can never obtain. So seek to confuse thy blessings by introducing mass amounts of stress and pain. Watch your back. There are many devil's advocates. They come in many different shapes, sizes, with titles and forms. I understand you want to save souls, but to the darkness are some born, to these, to the wicked, do they belong? So to the children of God be forewarned. Their mission is to hurt thee, stagnate thee, and once you're confused, they'll show you no mercy, seeking to lead the saints off the path. For it is the desire of the unclean deities to decrease heaven at all costs. Though it seems unfair, it is essential that the chosen martyrs bear the burden of the weight of the cross, that faith within the sovereign King Adonai be not lost. Subjugate thy tears and replace them with joy. Replace them with joy. Then rejoice in the knowledge that thy sacrifice be not made in vain. For every ounce of pain received at the hands of the unrighteous shall thy place be measured high. As chariots of emerald and gold carry you before the glory of the throne, you have been the light by which the wicked have been exposed. For have your very presence been the scales by which they shall be judged. And for every tear you cry shall rivers of anguish run for them. For mighty have been their sin against the Lord their God. They have used his love as a disguise to hide their desire to see the just suffer for his sake, taking pride in the discord and sorrow they lustfully create, as did the Roman, who pierced the side of the Christ, but at what cost? Now said to walk the earth until the end of days, such an unnecessary high price. But such is life for the vile betrayers of light and love. Let not thy kind and loving heart be heavy for them, for they have more than earned just return. Peace.